In this demo, we'll be looking at the Proteus 3D viewer. Once your PCB is laid out, or at any time during the process of laying out your PCB, you can launch the 3D visualization engine to generate a physical preview of the board. To launch a 3D view of the board, we go up to the toolbar and click the 3D visualizer icon. Proteus will then start to generate a 3D view of our circuit board. Several preset camera angles are available via the buttons at the bottom of the viewer to allow you to quickly rotate and flip the board. The zoom level can also be adjusted using the magnifying glasses or by rolling the mouse wheel in and out in order to zoom. Here we are currently looking at the board from the front side. We can flip it to the back side, look at it from the top down, or look at it from several different angles. We can also use the scroll wheel on the mouse or the magnifying glasses to move in on the particular design. Clicking on the button at the bottom left will allow you to fly a camera around the board in order to get a view of any particular part of the board. When used in conjunction with the scroll wheel, you can zoom in on any particular component or area of the board that is of interest. Holding down the left mouse button and moving the mouse will allow you to view the board from any angle. We can set a transparent box around the board by activating the button at the bottom toolbar. This represents a container for the PCB and allows us to check for clearances. In the case here, all of the components are inside the case, except for the RJ45 connector over here, which would have protruded through the top of the container. The last icon at the bottom allows us to remove the components in order to view the board without any of the components in place. Additionally, there are settings across the top to allow us to change the dimensions of the transparent case, as well as other settings that would be important when you're laying out your PCB.